We are gathered here because in Bangladesh for last 5-6 days, people are torturing, burning our houses. Hindus, Christians, minorities' houses are burned. Our brothers have been killed. Our mothers have been killed. They are looting our houses. They are burning our houses, our churches, our temples. We want justice for Bangladesh. We are citizens of Bangladesh and we want to stay in Bangladesh. They cannot take. Islam is the fundamentalist. They cannot take our country and they cannot deport us from Bangladesh. We want justice as a Bangladesh. We want to stay in our country as a safe manner. We want peace and we want to stay. They need to stop the violence against the minorities in Hindus, against the Christians.